Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to download and install Ubuntu 26.04 Server Edition on VMware Workstation. Okay, first go to Ubuntu official website and download. It is ubuntu.com. Then click on download Ubuntu. See here we have desktop, server and other options. Click on server, then click on get Ubuntu server. Then see here we have the Ubuntu 26.04 LTS version. Click on download. Wait a moment, download will be started. See, download started. Go to download. See here, its size is about 2.7 gigabytes. I am cancelling this one because see here, I have already downloaded. In your case, wait until download completes. Once download is completed, then open VMware Workstation. Then click on create a new virtual machine or go to file and select new virtual machine. Both are same. Then select typical or custom. Next. Then select installer disk image file, then select the downloaded ISO file. See here we have the Ubuntu 26.04 server ISO image. Select it, click on next, provide the name. This is just virtual machine name. Then select the location to store this virtual machine files and folders by clicking on this browse button. Then select the path where you have the enough space. Click on next. Now provide virtual hard disk size. I am giving 50 gigabytes. Then click on next. See, these are the virtual machine settings. If you want to modify any one of these settings, click on customize hardware. Then don't select this power on this virtual machine. Then click on finish. Still, if you want to modify the settings of this virtual machine, click on edit virtual machine settings or right click and select settings. Okay, if you want to provide description, you can provide description for this virtual machine here. Okay, we're okay with all the settings, then click on power on this virtual machine. Now select the language by using up and down arrows and hit enter. Keyboard configuration, I'm going with the defaults. So select done by using tabs and up and down arrows and hit enter. Type of installation Ubuntu server or Ubuntu server minimizer. If you want Ubuntu server minimized, you have to select, come to here. See, it is blinking. Just you need to press this spacebar from your keyboard. If you want server only, just go up and select here and come to done by using tabs and hit enter. See, this is a network configuration. If you are okay with the settings, click select done and hit enter. If you want to configure proxy, provide, otherwise keep it as blank and done and hit enter. This is confirmation. Select continue and hit enter. Guided storage configuration, select use an entire disk and come to done and hit enter. See, this is the storage configuration information. If you are okay, then select done. If you want to reset, select reset. If you want to go back, select back. I am okay with this configuration, so select done and hit enter. Again confirmation, continue. Now we have to create user. This is user full name. Then here we have to provide server name or host name. Then provide the username. Then set the password for this user. Confirm the same. Hit enter. Again hit enter. If you want to enable Ubuntu Pro, select above one. If you don't want, come to continue and hit enter. If you want to install OpenSSH server, just select it by pressing spacebar. Then come to done and hit enter. If you want to select these additional feature server snaps, select here and click on. Then come to done and hit enter. See, installation has been started. This will take time. I am going to pause this video. And then it will ask us to reboot the system. Then we will reboot the system and we will perform the post installation steps. In the meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. See, installation is complete. Come to this reboot now and hit enter. See the message. Please remove the installation medium. Then press enter. Now, right click on this virtual machine settings. Then go to CD DVD in device status and select these both checkboxes. Then click on OK and hit enter. See, now it is rebooting. Now provide the username that you have created. Provide the password of this user. See, we have connected to Ubuntu Server 26.04. We can also verify the same. Control A /etc OS-release. See, we have connected to Ubuntu 26.04 and its Ubuntu code name is resolute. If you want to verify IP of this machine, if config. It is not found, IP, ADDR. See, we got the IP address. Okay. So the first step after connecting to Ubuntu server is we have to update the packages. Sudo apt update upsend sudo apt upgrade, hit enter. What is the password? It is see, all packages are up to date. Control A. So in this video we have seen how to download and install Ubuntu Server 26.04 LTS server edition on VMware Workstation. Okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.